Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching the LCD panel model to its controller board. This prevents dead pixels and timing mismatches. Once matched, mount the controller near the panel and connect the LVDS or EDP cable firmly to the panel socket. Make sure your 12V, or specified, power supply is rated for the controller's current draw. You should ground yourself and use an anti-static mat. It's quick and protects components. Now power only the board briefly to verify backlight and basic display. Once you see the backlight and menu, configure the controller's input to HDMI, DVI, or DisplayPort using jumpers or the OSD. This ensures correct handshake with your computer. Next, tidy signal and power routing. Short and loose cable loops use adhesive anchors and secure connectors to avoid strain. While you can test on a bare bench, plan a simple enclosure, wood, acrylic, or 3D printed frame to hold the panel and controller. Make sure vents are present so heat from the controller dissipates. You finish by seating the panel in its bezel and fastening the controller inside the enclosure with non-conductive standoffs. This prevents shorts. Once closed, use the on-screen display to set native resolution, color balance, and refresh rate so images are sharp and stable. If the screen stays blank, systematically troubleshoot. Confirm the LVDS/EDP cable pins and orientation, verify the power rails deliver correct voltages, and inspect the backlight circuit or inverter. Make adjustments, then retest until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.